Hi, welcome to the new lecture of this section. Here we are going to the psychology number 2, which is emotions always win. Unless you are T1000, emotional arguments are always going to win over rationality. We are always drawn to emotions in other people, especially in their faces. So this is a great way to use the above technique as well. Research has shown that facial expressions are universal between all cultures. One of the reasons we like looking at faces is because we want to read the emotions of other people, so we know how to behave towards them. This means that we are really good at picking out emotions in faces, even if they are shown only through micro expressions. Positive emotions are more likely to work in Facebook ads. This is an example for positive emotions, and also this is a positive emotions. As I mentioned, the positive emotions are more likely to work in Facebook ads, but you can find a few usually advertising news services like OMG or KPOPfix.com or other Facebook pages and sites promote with negative emotions that use the ability of any emotions to catch our attention and get us to click. So this is the way of negative emotions. But it's more common and a better advertising strategy to draw people in through positive emotions like this post or advertising. So by conclusion at this lecture, we see that faces and happiness equal the perfect combination. That's all, and see you in next lecture. Goodbye.